Hello, Dr. Flexo here. Today I want to talk to you about our tabletop plate mounters. Mark Andy Print Products makes 3 different width tabletop plate mounters. We have a 10-inch model which will accommodate up to a 13-inch wide plate roll. We have a 13-inch model which will accommodate up to a 16-inch wide plate roll. We have a 13P model which will accommodate up to a 22-inch wide plate roll. All 3 of our tabletop plate mounters will accommodate up to a 24-inch diameter plate roll. So our plate roll is held in place by a tapered cone here, and this is slide adjustable. It locks in with a lever lock. We also have the ruler, which you can position left and right. It's also set up in a lever lock, or the entire thing here can be pivoted here as well to get it out of the way. Down below, we've pre-drilled it with 2 holes for mounting to a table. And this is the Mark Andy manual plate mounter.